Well, the FDA announcing today that people will soon have more choices when it comes to hearing aids, and it'll be easier to get them. While people who work with the deaf and hard of hearing are optimistic that this could help bring prices down, they're also concerned that people might skip doctors altogether. Sean Moody has more in this LEX 18 big story at 11.
People who need hearing aids know just how expensive they can be.
Hearing aids can be from one hearing aid, $1,400 to $5,000 for just one hearing aid. And if you need two, can you just imagine the cost? You have to take out a loan. So it's an issue.
Virginia Moore is the executive director of the Kentucky Commission on the Deaf and Hard of Hearing. She's watched the evolution of hearing aid regulations closely.
Because of the cost, it's just people have been screaming, we've got to find a more affordable way. And over-the-counter seems to be the way to go.
Today, the Food and Drug Administration announced a rule that they say will improve access and they hope will lower costs by making certain hearing aids available over-the-counter. Under the rule, people with perceived mild to moderate hearing impairment can buy the devices directly from stores or online without an exam or fitting. The ability to get the devices without a prescription certainly makes them more accessible for people who might need them, but Moore is concerned about the idea of cutting out a professional altogether.
If your hearing is healthy and your ear is healthy, then maybe they can say, yes, go to the over-the-counter. You know, maybe low to moderate would work for you, and that's great because the cost would help. But you need to get it checked out first. Our fear is that people won't. They'll go get a hearing aid, they'll wear it, amplify it. Maybe it's not the right amplification.
The rule will limit the maximum sound output of the devices to reduce the risk of further hearing damage, revise how deeply they can go into the ear canal, and require them to have a user-adjustable volume control. The hope is that the barrier to entry will be lower and there will be more competition in the devices to drive down the cost to the consumer. And Moore says that's good, but ultimately she says people need to be vigilant when it comes to protecting their hearing and have any issues checked out. If hearing loss is allowed to progress, she says other health problems could follow.
We need to push people to see an audiologist, an ENT. We need to push people to go see a specialist to talk about the health of your ear first.
In Frankfurt, Sean Moody, LEX 18 News.
The commission has a program to help people get devices that can do things like add captions to their cell phones. If you or someone you know could benefit from that, well, we have a link to the commission's website on lex18.com.